Let's talk about a wine that probably most of you can find very easily. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better, and I thought today would be a good day to do a video on this Cantina Zaccagnini Montepulciano di Abruzzo wine because, well, it's mostly done, and I wanted to actually talk about it before we finish the bottle, but also because I think this wine's very well distributed. It's made in really big quantities from what I can tell, because I kind of see it everywhere. And you know, I have a nice little grapevine on the bottle. But I find myself always enjoying this wine, and I figured let's talk about it and see if you guys share the same opinion. So this is the 2018 Cantina Zaccagnini Montepulciano di Abruzzo. Again, it's a DOC, so Denominazione Originale Controllata. Origine controllata, right? So this is, you know, it meets the requirements for the broader definition of Montepulciano di Abruzzo. And, you know, I've had this wine a number of times. I find myself coming back to it. And, you know, it tends to be like a perfect sort of Tuesday night wine with steak or pasta or pizza, or really almost like virtually almost like anything that's just not fish. But let's see what it tastes like, what it smells like, and whether you know. And then I'd love to hear your opinion on this wine down in the comments. You know, because I know you can get it. So, you know, immediately I'm greeted by black cherries and plums. This wine always kind of straddles the line of medium to full body, and that's typical, I guess, of what a Montepulciano grape wine brings to you. There's a little earthiness here too, which is I guess more common in the Italian wines. That's funny. Immediately, I get like a little bit of a bright tart cherry chocolate note in there. So, you know, and I wanted to talk about this wine because if you guys see a wine and it's $12, it doesn't necessarily mean that you should walk by. You should walk by it, right? This one, always easy to drink, always available, and you know, surprisingly good for the price. Now, I am somebody who likes the Montepulciano di Abruzzo wines, so that gives me a leg up when sort of choosing this, because I know already, you know, it's in that direction that I, you know, of wines that I like. But if you like medium to full body red wines that have lots of fruit, you know, and a combination of black and red fruit with a touch of acidity, right? You're gonna like this wine. So go out, find it, buy it, drink it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.